You know that feeling when your body doesn't want to move and your brain is foggy, and even thinking about where to start feels overwhelming. Maybe you're recovering from a concussion and dealing with brain fog or ADHD. Maybe the mental load is just too much right now. Today we're going to talk about 3 quick cleans you can do when you feel completely stuck that can get you moving again. When your nervous system is overloaded, the idea of tidying can feel completely impossible. But a tiny shift in motion or environment can actually help your brain to start to reset. My name's Larissa, and I share videos on how to take care of your home and your nervous system, especially on the hard days. These are not deep cleans, they are gentle resets or reframes. Let's jump in. Number 1, throw one thing away. Just one. Look around and find something that is actually trash. An old receipt, an empty candy wrapper, an empty water bottle, anything. Get up, grab the item, go to the garbage, throw it away. You've already done something, and one step forward is motion. The act of getting up and getting moving helps to activate your brain's prefrontal cortex, which can get frozen when you're in executive dysfunction. When you're stuck, even a tiny action can nudge you out of that loop. If you feel a little motivated once you're up and moving, great, keep going. But 2 things. 1, if you don't feel like moving, if you throw out one piece of garbage, you have done something. You have cleaned up your space. You've done a good job. And if you sit back down, that's perfectly okay. Absolutely. If you are staying up and staying active, set a timer. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, something short. That way you don't overdo it and end up crashing later. It's all about pacing, and maybe you'll set a 5-minute timer, and after 5 minutes you'll say, no, yeah, I still feel good, I can keep going. I'm gonna grab a glass of water, but I could keep going. I need a snack, but I could keep going. That's cool, but pace yourself. Wipe down one clear, visible surface, and no tidying up first. For me, a go-to is my mirror, either in my front hall or in my bathroom, because you don't have stuff on your mirror that you have to clear away before you can wipe it down, right? Maybe you'll do a cupboard door or your microwave door. Grab a Clorox wipe and wipe down a light switch or a door handle. When's the last time you sanitized your phone screen? Grab a Clorox wipe and wipe down your phone screen. Avoid anything that you would need to deal with first. We're just looking for wipe, go, hit of dopamine. I did something, I improved my space, I feel better about my space, about myself. Good job, me. Completing a clear, visible task, especially one that creates a visible after difference, gives your brain a dopamine boost. This is especially helpful for anyone dealing with ADHD or anyone dealing with brain fog. It can help to build momentum without requiring complex decision making. If you look at your living room table and you think, well, do I want to stack all the books, or do I pull some of the library books aside? Or am I putting everything into a bowl, or should I put things back in the kitchen? Too many decisions. Look for something that is one and done. Tip number 3 is to stack or group something into one pile. No decisions required. Grab anything that's scattered, whether it's papers on your desk or books on the table, laundry that's on your bedroom floor, dishes that are scattered around your kitchen. Group them together in the sink, group them together in a laundry basket, stack the pile of papers or books up. We're not sorting things, cleaning things, putting things away. We are just containing the chaos, reducing the visual clutter. Visual clutter can overwhelm your working memory, especially when you're managing cognitive fatigue. Every scattered item in your visual field is kind of like an open tab in your brain. By stacking or grouping things together, you're giving your brain one single shape to process, and that reduces sensory overload. The slightly messy pile is better than scattered chaos. If you've been feeling stuck or frozen, or like your brain just is not braining today, I feel ya. And these tips are not about productivity. They're just about helping you to shift a little and help your nervous system to unfreeze just a little bit. Let us know in the comments, what's your go-to get unstuck trick? Or if you tried one of these, let us know if it worked. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I hope this was helpful, and I hope that you remember that you are not alone trying to find some gentle ways to move forward.